Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the house price prediction using machine learning. So this is the login page. First user have to register and then they can log in with the username and password. So I'm just entering the username and password and then click on the login. Okay, so it will open the home page. You can see there is a description of project. Just click on the predict. So these are the entry blocks. We have to enter all the value and it will predict the house price. So total BHK 5, square feet 1200, under construction yes, ready to move no, yeah, and it according to that please wait, it may take some time. So model will load. 432.152k pricing. So it will predict the house price. Okay, and let's click on the total BHK and the city, then click on the search button. So it will give the complete details. You can also contact seller. You can connect with the email and let's enter the name, email ID, phone number, city, total BHK or RK, total square feet, under construction or resale. Like you can enter your home details. So let's enter all those value. Scroll down. RERA, ready to move, and price in lakh. If you want to sell your house, and you can also enter the complete address and then click on the submit button and press yes. So you can also search with the total BHK and address. So it will fetch from database. This is the about us page. You can change the total BHK value and the city, and then you can search. Yeah, that is if you want total BHK 2, then it will cost 59.648k. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.